This crochet rose is so pretty, perfect for bouquets, frames, or even a brooch. I'm using 4-ply cotton yarn. Round 1, make a magic ring. Chain 2, this doesn't count as a stitch. Work 8 double crochets into the ring. Double crochet looks like this. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, then 2 again. I'll speed this up since it's the same pattern. Pull the ring tight, then slip stitch to the first double crochet to join the round. Round 2, chain 1, make 7 single crochet increases, 2 single crochets in the same stitch, nice and slow. Single crochet in the last stitch. Slip stitch to join. Round 3, chain 1. Single crochet in the first 3 stitches, then chain 1. Next, make 1 single crochet and 1 chain. You'll make 11 in total. Single crochet in the last 2 stitches. Slip stitch to join, then fasten off. Repeat this to make 4 small petals. Now, let's make the medium petals. Round 1, make a magic ring. Work 15 double crochets into the ring. Pull the ring tight, then slip stitch to the first double crochet to join. Round 2, chain 1. Work 2 single crochets, then 1 single crochet increase. Repeat that 5 times. A single crochet increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Continue the same pattern. Slip stitch to join. Round 3, chain 1. Single crochet in the first 6 stitches. Then work 1 single crochet and 1 chain. Repeat that 9 times. Just follow the same pattern. Then single crochet in the last 5 stitches. Slip stitch to join, then fasten off. Repeat the same steps to make 3 medium petals. Now let's make the large petals. Round 1, make a magic ring. Work 15 double crochets into the ring. Slip stitch to the first double crochet. Chain 2, this doesn't count as a stitch. Round 2, start with 6 double crochet increases. That's 2 double crochets in the same stitch. After the 6 increases, in the next stitch, work 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 single crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet. Now work double crochet increases in the last 7 stitches. Slip stitch to the first double crochet to join, then fasten off. Repeat the same steps to make 5 large petals. Now let's make the flower base. Round 1. Make a magic ring, chain 1. This doesn't count as a stitch. Work 6 single crochets into the ring. Pull the ring tight, then slip stitch to join. Round 2, chain 1. Work 6 single crochet increases. Slip stitch to join. Round 3, chain 1. Work 1 single crochet, then 1 increase. Repeat that 6 times. Slip stitch to join. Round 4, chain 1, single crochet around 18 stitches total. Slip stitch to join. Round 5, chain 1. Now we'll make the petal tip dot first, chain 9. Slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Slip stitch in the next chain as well. Single crochet in the next chain. Half double crochet in the next chain. Half double crochet in the next stitch again. Double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet again in the next stitch. In the last stitch, yarn over twice and make a treble crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 9 again, then repeat the same steps. After the second point, skip the next 2 stitches again, then slip stitch into the next stitch. We need to make 6 in total. Slip stitch to join, then fasten off. Now let's assemble the flower. Add a little glue to the small petal and roll it up to form the center. Add a little glue and attach the second petal. Gently add the rest of the petals around. Finally, glue on the flower base and it's all done.